Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a little bit of heads up and a little bit of help with these reflections on your quizzes, okay? So this is one of the questions that you have on one of your quizzes, and it wants to know which axis the triangle is being reflected over. Remember, the x-axis is the one that goes this way, and the y-axis is the one that goes vertical, goes up and down. So I have pulled up on my screen the transformation table that we've filled out, as well as the quizzes questions, because I want to be able to see both. And so again, remember, this is for you, right? So when it says which axis is it, you need to be able to tell yourself, if you can't remember, right, which one is which, tell yourself which one it is. The horizon line goes straight across, y-axis, vertical line, okay? Since this has been folded across this axis, this answer is going to be the y-axis. And check it out, we got it right. Let's go look at the next question. Okay, which axis is this image reflected over? And since it's going across this one, it's been folded this way, right? We know that's the horizon line. That would be the x-axis. All right, let's go do the next question. Oh, now we get to the fun stuff, right? So now we're going to reflect point C over the y-axis. So when I go look at point C is right here, and I want it to go over the y-axis, so that's this vertical line, okay? The coordinates of this point are 3, 2, and if I look at my transformation table for the y-axis, it's going to be the opposite of x and then regular y, okay? So instead of a positive 3, it's going to be a negative 3. And I'm going to keep that y values the same. So negative 3, positive 2. So this one is going to be right here. Oh, shoo, we got that right. Okay, let's try the next one. Oh, I left my answers open, but yes, this is the y-axis. All right, let's do a little bit of math again, right? So let's go look at this transformation table and see what this one would look like. So we're going to reflect this shape over the x-axis, and so it's going to go over this way. Again, on my transformation table, it says that I'm going to take my two numbers and I'm going to keep them the same, but I'm going to do the opposite of the y number. Remember, that's the second number. So I'm going to keep the 3 the same. I'm going to do the opposite of negative 6, which is positive 6, okay? And so which point is that? If this point were at 3, negative 6, which point is at 3, positive 6? Point A. And so that should be point A. Nice. All right. If we rotate this or reflect this, it should go over the y-axis. That one we can do. Oh, here's a good one. Which one of these is a reflection across the x-axis? Remember, that's the line that goes in the horizon direction, right? And so which one looks like it was folded on top of the other one? Okay, that should be answer C. Oh, this is a tricky one. This is a good one. So this has been reflected on a different line. So if you watched the first video that I sent with the GeoGebra assignment, right, that was in there. But keep in mind that a vertical line that goes straight up and down is going to be an x equals. So if I count on my x-axis, right here where S and T are, that is at x equals 3. And so this is going to be reflection across x equals 3. And so it does end up being this one down here. All right, let's see if that weirdness pops up again. Oh, no. Oh, this is a good one. This is like a good review question. So where would x be if you went 3 units to the left and 9 units down? That's a review question. That's a review question. And that's a review. What is going on with these review questions, Hunsicker? Oh, this is a good one. What's a reflection? Is that when you turn an object on a point? When you slide it from one point to another? When you flip or mirror across a line? Or when you resize an object? All right, here's a good one. You want to reflect a figure over the horizontal line shown. So that would be this red line. So this is another one just like the other one we just talked about. So on the y-axis, if I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Every one of these points on this line is at y equals -4. And so that's what the directions would be for this one, y equals -4. Let's check that answer, see if we're right. Oh my goodness, she does know what she's talking about. Oh, that one's an easier one. All right, let's see if that kind of helps you get through some of your quizzes, okay?